around you to keep your hands free so that you can take hold of the grace of God. Make sure that your hands are free to grab hold of what God has brought near to you for your growth, for your sanctification, so that you can be a part of the upward call of God in Jesus Christ.